Every partnership starts with a closer look. A factory visit brings a different kind of conversation. For buyers, seeing the operation firsthand turns product discussions into a closer understanding of how their packaging is made and handled. With different packaging requirements on the table, direct discussion helps buyers compare formats, applications, and specifications before moving deeper into the production process. The discussion then moves beyond the finished bag to the stages behind it. Film production, printing, and conversion all influence how a packaging specification becomes a finished format, making the production floor an important part of the conversation. At this stage, the focus shifts to the material itself, where buyers can examine different film formats and observe how material properties are checked during production. Moving across different bag formats, the conversation becomes more specific to each application. This is where product selection is connected with the practical requirements of the buyer. The visit also brings the discussion into quality control, where testing gives buyers a direct view of how packaging is evaluated before shipment. At the second factory, the visit continues with another packaging format, giving the buyers a broader view of Haplast's production capabilities and the range of products developed for different market needs. With production capacity reaching 5,000 tons per month, manufacturing is connected directly with the supply process. Certifications give buyers another way to verify the standards behind production, and that confidence can grow into lasting partnerships. Let's explore what Haplast can build together.